Well, I make this video because I don't see all the posts of this Biafra, being a Biafra. Now wait, Nigeria, now won't fight civil war. Hey God, I don't. Well, I don't forget it. Wait, see, I just laugh. It is a civil war na crisis. you don't see Nigerian military jets once. My guy, if you see, God, I don't die. Not be this on you. I dey look you now. You dey shop 2 times a day. You dey say the government do this, the government. My brother, for war, you not go even see food shop for like 2 weeks. You go link, wash up call. See, government go first seize salt and pepper. Hey God, nobody go tell you. You go worry. You won't fight war. You na the rake and the sooner Biafra agitator, this Muslim Arewa youth. God, you don't war. You don't hear gunshot. Not be bo. You go to hear ta for 2 weeks non-stop. You see, military jets don't fly. You see, when you see military jets, you not be this or you the rake. You don't see ammo tank. For war, those army where they tell us where they call Dogo, where they talk, they padlock their mouths. Now they release. Say you won't fight war. My brother, Mona press. Rich men they north, rich men they south, rich men they east, poor men so they everywhere. Nowhere better. You won't fight war. Don't say na blood. Nandi can say blood. So you wait, and your children, your family, that they rest for Yankee, that is soft for this side. Then our mama, we never chow where we see the gain life for the economy. They also I want to shop. We dey they also I want to send back home. Then we call the put their mind for tension. Then our family dey here, the rest, the soft. Now one cause war. Are they looking now? Are they looking now? Not be war. If you say na crisis, Abi. Don't worry. You never see anything. Go look that Rwanda thing. Go look at. Now real matter. If not now, may they start to update us the real history. May they share pictures of the war. Who gets to read to tell for that war matter? May they talk and now. So that Nigeria need peace right now. We cannot afford to fight. We cannot. Sure, we don't mature. We don't get sense. We want to fight war. The cake is enough to share. Make them call wetin you want. Nigeria, see, when they talk of say Biafra, una press. See, you just say to stand country. Now my mind. You just say to stand country na my mind. Now go say Germany split. This one split. UK, this one Brexit. Now African leaders now won't depend on that guy in their share today. Before Biafra will stand, will take. How about this one at the top? Nigerian passports, as Nigerian passport big, as Nigeria big. Nigerian passport now problem to travel with. They don't trust you criminals, Nigeria. They don't trust us. Bad reputation for our passport. You know where Biafra passport go reach you and my guy. See, go Somalia, go see the guy. War no good. We don't need war, my guy. We don't need war. Those people where they perpetrate this story, now bring Ebola. We don't deal with Ebola. Ebola don't pass. Now I won't bring war.
Somalia is
Philippines. Now they see Libya, which day Libya where everybody they reason saying Libya take. Shebi as war or enter. Bah, Libya cast. Everywhere cast. Now we can fight war. Nigerians. Libya is a failed state now because of war. Check country where war not destroy. And then fuck up. What you make una want fight? For what? E hard for everywhere. E see soft for everywhere. Now to just also dey alright. Mama wey dey support, no good mama go support war. No good mama, no good papa go support war. We gats come together, come identify wetin dey sup. The truth be say, for my own matter sef, therefore just cancel anything like minority, because if you check on all those minority political zoning, all those kind of things, that dey cause problem for Nigeria. Each tribe na minority on the normal, because if you go north, they get different tribe, they speak different language. You go east, you go south, you go middle belt, different language. Why some come be majority, some be minority? Everybody for be minority. Then any leader who is capable of running the nation should come from any part of Nigeria, regardless of anything. It should be based on merit. It should be political good. Then they can't add religion. They confuse us anyhow. Like say we not get sense. Nigeria used to be the most smartest people. Now what did they fuck up? May they pause any war matter. They pause man. Now time to use Akonushi. Right now we don't need that. We need peace, peace and unity. No time at all. War no good. Nobody they enjoy that. Right now, you dey kill line for the street, abi? You dey kill line. At all, you no shop, you dey kill line. My guy, if war start, you go hide for bottom bed for like 3 months. You dey phone fresh when they update your snap. It is say if war dey, your battery go low, no light. Dey agitate. If United be war, you say what? Una pause all those level. We don't need war. All those people they bring story every time. You know, say every time story they rain, go trend. And then when I change this war, oh come out. And they jeopardize the country. We need peace for Nigeria. We need them. Our mama did it also. Our papa did it. They need peace. They don't also the call right for time. Go better. That's so it be. Go better. So anywhere you there, my guy, get sense. Get sense. Hear word. You got hear word. You got hear word. Now the real matter they tell you, no go carry your life to throw jogba for these big men. Their family they press for one location. They press better style. And they tell you real matter. They soft. They confuse us anyhow. Kind of to put your head down. Also, normal level. E go better. God now go bless the hand of your labor. And the government cannot change everything. It's not easy, my guy. It's not easy. You on your own soul, you cannot your own ass now. You only the complain enough you manage your small family. Not to talk of the Nigeria, we plenty and we stubborn normally. We plenty and we stubborn. Na normal level. Na so we be in our own team. So the government too got stubborn, got everything, so that we can move forward. But we don't need war. Now understanding. Now we take move on. Because the story what we hear, not sweet, my brother. I not fit shop rat. As I did like this, I not fit shop food when I not put salt. Only that one way government go first. Kwashiorkor go kill me because I got a chew. I got chow. And I really matter, oh my guy. So you where they watch me, so Nigerians when they watch me, I they tell you now, war no good, we no need them, we they change them.